Okay, after we've juiced half of a lemon and removed our shrimp, which is halfway cooked, we're going to go and turn the heat down on our sauce. Give it a stir. And if you want, you can actually even remove it from the heat for about a minute while we go ahead and we chop some cilantro. I'm just going to pull a bit off here. Now we're going to be taking half of our cilantro and we're going to be putting it into our dish, and then we're going to take the other half and we're going to be garnishing all of the plate. So we're going to go and bunch it up close together and then cut across into strips. And you want to turn it and do it again. Once that is done, pull off the edge of the knife, and then the back part of your knife is generally going to be the sharpest because most people cut with the front. And whenever you're doing fresh herbs, cut here at the back. This is going to cut it about 3 times as fast as if you go, and it's going to make about 1/10 the noise. Until we don't need a fine powder, but there are no big chunks left. And then again, we're going to add half of this to the dish and then use the other half to garnish at the end.